Basala! It is me, you see how pretty I look? Yo, I look pretty. You see, I started off with the high definition makeup tutorial. Just want to send out a shout out to my Sisi and to my wife. Hey, you see how pretty I look? Hmm? You see? Now, next we will do the eyes. You see? If it gets in your eyes, it's fine. It's just makeup. It makes your eye beautiful. Hey, yo! Yo, I look pretty, yo. You see, I'm showing you how to make the smoky eyes. But it depends on what your eyes are smoking. Okay? Hey, it's so dry. Yo! Yo, I look sexy, yo. Yo! How bizarre. What is this? Mascara. Yeah, you see, now we do the mascara.
Jy moet eers hierbo.
Yeah.
Hierso. Jy moet eers eyeshadow opsit. 3 to 4 colors.
3 to 4 colors.
But it must show.
But it must show.
Ah.
Where's the brush? Hey, sorry, Bazala. I'm just looking for the brush. Ah, there it is. You see? You see? You see? 3 to 4 colors. If you make mistake, you see I make mistake. But I make it on purpose. You see? Make mistake on purpose. You see? You see? You put.
Where is your beauty spot?
You put, and you will come to the beauty spot. And now, you put. Don't be stitch. You must show. It must show. Don't be stitch. Don't be stitch. Don't be stitch, brother. You must show. You put. Now, I don't like too much. But it's your problem. If you like 4 or 5 colors, it's right.
Net bietjie harder praat want ek dink dit kort baie sag.
It is your problem. If you like 4 to 5 colors, it is sharp. Me, I like only 3.
Praat harder.
You see now? Make the mascara.
Aha.
Hey! You see? No, every man he would look at me because you see, I'm not a busy woman. I have lots of time for my makeup. You see? You put. You put. You put. You put. You put. I stinge. Your makeup is stinge. You put.
Again.
Again. Where's my stick? You pass. Where's my stick? Why do you stress? Don't stress. You see? And if it plugs together, don't stress. Don't stress. Now make
The beauty spot.
the beauty spot
Big like your life is big.
big. Like your life is big. Big. Like your life. It must show you have the spot of beauty. Because you are beautiful. That is why they call it the beauty spot. The bigger it is, the beautiful you are. Big. Depends how much beautiful you want to be. If you want to be like Halle Berry, you make big spots. You make big spots. You see? You see?
Kyk vir my.
Hey,
Kyk vir my.
Masala.
Maak so. You must blend it.
Yes.
Now, you see what I am going to do now? I will put on this lipstick for this man. Like, ne? You must not be stingy. You must put, Bazala. You must just put.
You must put.
Make your lips close. Big ah. Aha. Like this.
Aha.
You must have
No, I
big
will
ah.
do
You
it.
have big lips. You must have big lips. Yeah, groter. Big like your life is big.
Wait. I forget.
How can you forget? Groter. Verder van die lippe af.
Put.
You must
You want
not be shy.
big lips. You put. You put. You put. You put.
hom tot die lyn in. Hoor jy?
Snor.
Dis alright, let hom in. You see, Bazala, this husband of mine, he can just do it.
Hey, yo. Yo, you look pretty, yo. Yo.
Now say bye-bye, say bye-bye.
Okay, Bazala. Bye-bye.
Let me shut up to you too.
Let me shut up to you too.
Go, Chubby.